And you brought out, that the 30 feet high wall and every other project that you've done. Can you help us understand what kind of projects this material can sustain, or is it for everything or a
You can
specific
do-
area? I mean, the logistics or the office complexes. I'm sure the interior is something that we can work it out. So some sample references, as in the
Yeah.
areas that we can use the product for.
So you can use it for just about anything. You can construct factories with this building. You can construct residences, commercial buildings. We don't yet use them for outer walls of multi-storied building, but internal walls and partitions, you can, without batting an eyelid, you can use it.
Right.
And the good part about is, the outer faces can be changed based on the application or the aesthetic that the architect wants or the client wants.
Right.
So you can keep playing around with that. So that's it. So that way it's extremely versatile. And then you can do resorts, farmhouses. So, the applications are incredible. In fact, we've done a project for the owners of MTR where they just wanted to enclose a balcony. So they were living in the houses. This is for Vastu purposes. They were living in the house. We just walked in, did the whole work and walked out without disturbing them. There was no sand and anything flying around.
Right.
So it was very neat and clean. And then we, got out of there. So, so these are some of the key advantages of this material.